A video editor for all creators. Okay, seems easy enough. So, you're finally editing your vlogs with Filmora9. Yeah? And you're editing that dumb morning routine video. No? Wait, who are you? I'm you, the future you. Just hurry up and start. Otherwise, I won't exist if you don't. This will be the easiest thing that you've ever done. Since you know all about this, could you maybe teach me how to make text effects? No need, the templates are built right in. Just pick what you want and drag and drop. Where do I get the music for my videos? Just check the audio tab. Music is right there for you to use.
Hey, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm taking you guys with me to get a new phone because obviously...
Don't get that one, it sucked. So does Filmora9 have that effect where two videos overlap and then... You mean split screen? Yeah, we're actually in one right now. What? That looks boring. No, it doesn't. Yes, it does. Yeah, I was gonna do the same thing. By the way, how far from the future are you exactly? About a week? Give or take a few days. Have fun!